All right, pretty easy video today. Pretty quick video today. How to stack and store your extra egg cartons. I buy mine from somebody I work with. So if I want to transport these back, take up a little bit of space until I can do so. There we go, pretty straightforward. Just we got one odd shaped one in here. So I put that small one on top. Look at that, it takes very little space. And I don't need a big bag to bring them back to the person I buy them from. Hey folks, so don't forget always to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Be sure to check out other videos on my channel. I do other things a little bit more in depth. This one with the egg thing today was just something a little bit fun that I like to do to kill a little bit of time in between other projects.